Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Geometry Dash on piano. First, you'll need to connect your digital piano or MIDI keyboard to your computer using a USB cable. Next, install a MIDI to keyboard mapping software, which acts as a bridge between your piano and the game. This software will allow you to assign specific piano keys to the game's jump and other actions. Make sure your piano's drivers are up to date for a smooth experience. This setup is crucial for translating your musical input into game commands. Now, let's talk about mapping your controls. A good starting point is to assign the middle C key on your piano to the main jump action in Geometry Dash. This provides a central and easily accessible control. You might also consider mapping other less frequent actions, like pausing, to keys nearby. It's vital to test your key assignments extensively before diving into a level to ensure everything works as expected. Don't hesitate to adjust the sensitivity within your mapping software for a more responsive feel. Mastering Geometry Dash on piano requires dedicated practice. Start with easier levels to get a feel for the new control scheme and build muscle memory. Focus intensely on rhythmic precision, aiming to match your piano key presses perfectly with the game's beat and obstacles. Break down challenging sections into smaller, manageable segments and practice them repeatedly until they become second nature. Remember to maintain a relaxed hand posture to avoid fatigue, especially during longer play sessions. Consistent practice will significantly improve your performance. For advanced players, there are many ways to enhance your piano Geometry Dash experience. Try experimenting with different piano sounds or instrument voices from your keyboard to add a unique auditory layer to your gameplay. Explore advanced mapping features in your software to create complex key combinations for specific in-game actions. You could even consider designing custom Geometry Dash levels specifically tailored for piano input. Finally, share your innovative piano gameplay with the wider Geometry Dash community. They'll surely be impressed by your musical prowess.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.